Good evening, brothers and sisters, in the Catholic faith and in Christendom generally. Tomorrow is Palm Sunday, a traditional, very important celebration, especially in the Catholic Church. But unfortunately, most of us will not be able to celebrate this day in church. It's a sad reality, but it is reality. We have to accept that. So, I want to join my brother Stan Staga Amadi, who has tried to bring some of the traditional songs that we sing, especially in the southeastern Nigeria and the Igbo language, to record it so that people can listen and at least have a feel of that traditional celebration wherever they are watching the video. Thank you, brother Stan, for starting this, and thank you for the inspiration as well. It's something really very nice. So I'm just going to add my voice to yours, and the more the merrier. Thank you very much as you listen, and join me if you know the songs that I'm going